Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Our today's topic is changing the subject of a formula. This is a new topic. Actually, I was planning to make videos on the topic logarithms, and I have thought of my next topic as the functions after the logarithms. So, in functions, when you have to find the inverse of a function, or maybe in some cases where in logarithmic equations, if you want to convert a logarithmic equation to an exponential equation, to an exponential form, sometimes you need this. You have to change the subject of a formula or a given equation. So therefore, I have decided to first of all cover this topic and then move on to those topics. So we come to the very first video session on this topic, changing the subject of a formula. And in this case, the subject variable will be present in multiple terms. I have not taken the case where the subject variable will be present in a single term. I'll be just telling you how will you be getting that. It is the simplest one. So without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. Let us know what is the question that has been given to us. This is the question: make x the subject of the following equation: 2y plus 3x equal to 5xz plus 1. So x is present in both of these two terms. X is present in the left-hand side of the equation and x is also present in one of the terms of the right-hand side. Now coming to the rules. Bring all the term or terms containing the variable, in our case it is the variable x, which has to be made the subject. In case the variable is present in only a single term, you don't have to do anything to this part of the rule. Bring all the terms containing the variable. Because the variable is present in only one term, you don't have to bring all the terms. It is just a single term. To one side of the equal to sign, obviously it will be on one side of the equal to sign, and take all the other terms to the other side. This part you have to do some management, some manipulation. You have to take all the other terms to the other side of the equal to sign. But since x is present in a single term, you don't have to do anything to this part. Bring all the terms containing the variable. Okay, that is the only difference. In this case, you are having x in multiple terms, so you have to bring all the terms containing the variable x to one side of the equal to sign. If they are on one side, even then you don't have to do anything for this part. But since they are on the either side of this equal to sign, you have to bring them to one side and you have to take all the other terms. What are the other terms? 2y and 1. They do not contain any x. So these two are the other terms. You have to take these two terms to the other side of the equal to sign. Okay, so let us do that. I have brought this 5xz to the left hand side. We usually take the x part on the left hand side, but sometimes I even take the x part or the subject of the variable to the right hand side, just for the sake of simplicity, and then I can always change the sides. Okay, so but it is a convention that you have the variable which will be made the subject on the left hand side of the equal to sign. Okay, that is just a convention, not mandatory. So 3x minus 5xz will be, and 2y is taken to the other side and it becomes 1 minus 2y. And I am saying this 2y is taken to the right hand side or 5xz is taken to the left hand side. It is actually in order to take 2y to the right hand side, what am I doing? I am actually adding negative 2y to both the sides. If we add negative 2y to the left hand side, the negative 2y and the positive 2y, they will be cancelling each other, and we will be having 1 minus 2y on the right side. Similarly, if we add negative 5xc to both the sides, 5xc and minus 5xc, they will be cancelling each other on the right side of the equal to sign, and on the left side we will be having 3x minus 5xc. So instead of saying all these things in a shortcut, I am saying take 2y to the right side and bring 5xc to the left side. But actually what you are doing is you are adding terms of the opposite signs to both the sides. One side will be cancelling both the terms because it will be containing the negative term and the positive term, and you will be having the other term with the opposite side sign on the other side of the equal to sign. Okay, so if you have any confusion in how to take terms to the other side, you just do this operation. You add whatever term you are wanting to take to the other side. You add that term with the opposite sign to both the sides. Okay. So we have got 3x minus 5xc equal to 1 minus 2y. Rule number 2. Take the variable as the common factor. Now the variable over here, y is a variable, z is a variable, x is a variable. By the term the variable, I am referring to the variable which has to be made the subject. Okay. Take the variable as the common factor and keep the other terms or other factors of all the terms of that side within the parenthesis and simplify. That means we will be taking this x as the common factor from both these terms. We will be taking out x as the common factor, and we will be putting every other part of these two terms within the parenthesis. So 3 comes inside from the first term and minus 5c comes from the second term. And simplify. It is in the simplified form. We cannot simplify any further. So when I write and simplify, this is just the general rules. You cannot make, if I had made rules specific to a particular question, then I could have just omitted the simplify part. But I have most probably, I'll be having 6 to 7 sessions on this topic. And I would be advising you to go through all the 6 or 7 videos that I'll be making on this topic to understand how to make a particular variable the subject of the given equation or given formula. Because it is not possible to take every special case. I have taken different cases definitely, but the equations will not be exactly the same. So you may have a combination of this session's equation type and the next session's equation type in your given formula. So I would definitely be asking you to watch all these 6 to 7 video sessions that you will be having on this topic, and then I can guarantee you that you will be knowing whatever equation is given, whatever formula is given to you, you can definitely be able to change the subject of the given equation or the given formula. Okay. So, and simplify, we don't have anything to simplify over here. It is x and 3 minus 5z and 1 minus 2y. And over here also 1 minus 2y, we don't have any common factor. So there is no need of any simplification. You cannot simplify this part. But if you have any simplification to be done, you have to simplify the right hand side as well. So rule number 3 says make the terms within the parenthesis of rule 3, that is this part, the denominator of the other side, the denominator of the right hand side. after simplification of the terms of that side. That side means the right hand side, if necessary. Obviously, if necessary, because over here, no simplification is necessary. You cannot simplify this any further. Okay, so we will be just bringing down this part, the part within the parenthesis, as the denominator of the right hand side. So x equal to 1 minus 2y over 3 minus 5z. This is our answer. So we are having x on the left hand side. Therefore, x has been made the subject of this equation or this formula. Okay. So students, this brings us to the end of this session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. And these are all continuous sessions. So I definitely be asking you to watch all my video sessions, because otherwise it may be difficult for you to understand a session totally. Okay. So thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.